Hey, good morning everybody. We're back here at our latest deck project. Give you guys an update and show you what we're doing. So we've got all our, or not all, but most of our deck boards on. We've got some of our skirting. You can see all our skirting there. And so today we're gonna work on finishing the steps. We got a step here that we're still got to put in. And then we have to do all our fascia too. So all these boards are just rough cut so that we have an idea of, you know, where everything is going. And then I think today we'll probably get to actually cutting the deck boards to the end length. The way this is going to be is you have the skirting, and then above the skirting there'll be a trim fascia that'll go on the outside of that, and it'll cover the edge of the deck boards. So that skirting is an inch thick. So what we'll have to do is cut all of these deck boards an inch out, and then our fascia trim will go over the end of the deck boards and over the skirting, so you won't see any of those bad edges. And how we're going to do that is we've got all this composite fascia here, and we'll bend that with the heat gun or however we need, and we'll get that nailed down with 15 gauge nails and some color match Azek Timbertech like trim screws. That you can get all kinds of crazy stuff now so that everything is kind of invisible. They make the screws have a paint on them that matches this deck color. It's Azek Timbertech deck with hidden fasteners. Let's see what else we got here going on. So that's pretty much it. You know, I did a video on the grading and posts, and we used a ditch witch with a huge post hole digger to dig out all these posts. And these customers, you know, they have woods behind their house. So another thing we did, I didn't do a video on that, but there's like a chicken wire running underneath here. We dug out a trench a foot deep, and a foot deep and a foot out, and then put chicken wire up the side of the framing, and then it's slopes down and out so that if any varmints try to dig under their deck, they can't make a home. Let's see what else we got. Oh, so this is pretty cool. So these composite decks, the inner core of the board is like a ground up wood treated material, and then the outside is all plastic. So instead of doing like a traditional miter where you have two cut edges, you can cut out the back of these boards and then heat up the plastic. I'll show you that. You can heat up the plastic and then bend it. See that there? So you can do that all the way. You can do that to a 45. It takes a look. You got to be patient. Don't overdo it, because you can, if you stretch the plastic, it'll turn white. But if you heat it up enough so that it's actually flexible, it'll keep its color and allow you to do the angle that you need. So we're going to keep doing that around here as we need. And I'm going to get set up here and get everything going. If you guys like the videos that we're putting out, like and subscribe. Appreciate everyone that's subscribed so far. You guys are keeping me motivated, and I really do appreciate it. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.